Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. We all know how disturbing can be sometimes the Windows updates, and many times they take a lot of time to be downloaded and installed in our computers. In this video we're going to compare the update size between Windows 10 and Windows 11. Microsoft delivers the latest Windows security and user experience updates monthly. Updates are modular, meaning that regardless of which update you currently have installed, you only need the most recent quality update to get your machine up to date. With the fast pace of Windows security and quality fixes, distributing this large amount of update content takes up a lot of bandwidth. Reducing this network traffic is critical for a great experience. Moreover, users on slower networks can struggle to keep their machines up to date with the latest security fixes if they cannot download the package. In addition to rural communities with limited access to high-speed broadband, hybrid and remote work have increased the complexity of update distribution for many corporations. Without high-speed internet networks to distribute updates to devices, corporations must rely on their virtual private networks and their remote workers' home internet connections to provide update distribution. Minimizing the network traffic increases the velocity of security patches, keeping a remote workforce protected wherever they are. Microsoft mitigated some of these issues with new compression technology, reducing the size of quality updates in Windows 11 by 40%. In Windows 10, the compression technology that is used is called forward and reverse differential compression. In Windows 11, this technique is improved, and if you want to read in more details how this compression technology works, you can find the link on the description below. Also, I will show now an example of the size of cumulative update on Windows 10 and Windows 11. In order to compare the update size between Windows 10 and Windows 11, I have opened Microsoft Update Catalog and I searched for the latest update for each one of these operating systems. So in this case for Windows 10 is this the latest cumulative update, and we can see that the size of this update for 64 base systems is around 636 megabyte. And if I search for the latest cumulative update for Windows 11, we can see that the size of this one is around 195 megabyte for Windows 11 64 based systems. Of course, we'll have to consider many factors on these updates, if these are very important updates, etc., etc. But it's obvious that the updates on Windows 11 look smaller comparing with Windows 10. So this is one of the good works that Microsoft have done with Windows 11. Basically, that's all that I want to show to you guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.